I'm Jason Roberts. I'm the trainer for the biomanufacturing and process plant sector at TAFE Gippsland Yallourn campus. The course is about new and emerging industries and changing from our traditional fuel sources into new possible fuel sources and the way the sectors can change and getting people to transition across those sectors so that we have a workforce ready to go for future employment. This course and why students would want to come and study it would be to get ahead of the curve of what's coming in the future. We know that greenhouse gases, our renewable energy, it's going to be a big push in the future. So we want students and people to be ready to transition to these new industries when they happen. It's a classroom-based, it's a lab-based practical, as well as out on site looking at different technologies and what workplaces are doing in their own to enhance their own people's skills as well. This course would be suited to a variety of industries, a variety of people working all throughout industries across Gippsland. I can see the phase out of our fossil fuels and what it does to the environment. So instead of waste products all the time being waste, why can't we use them for a new energy source, a new reason to recycle, upskill people, use these products instead of a waste product? They are a valuable resource. And that's the way we've got to see them these days.